Hello. Welcome to a new year with Delhi's old air pollution problem. This is another episode of Aaj Ka AQI. News Laundry's new show aimed at fixing accountability for a solution to India's air crisis. Today, my producer Ashish and I are standing at Raj Nivas Mar outside the official residence of Gopal Rai. He is Delhi's environment minister for a decade. And let's check the air quality here. So the level of PM 2.5 is over 160 and PM 10 is crossing 190. And the monitor shows that the air quality is seriously bad here. In last 10 years, Gopal Rai has been actively raising the issue of air pollution. Firstly, he had launched the odd even scheme. He has been also pushing for electric vehicles, and under him, Delhi's Clean Air Action Plan was also launched. The main objective of that plan was to reduce the air pollution levels by 20 to 40% by 2024. Clearly, that has not been materialized. Importantly, Gopal Rai has also been overseeing the expansion of air quality monitoring stations across the city. It was a huge step because it tracks the pollution levels in real times and provides more transparency in terms of data. Delhi has 38 monitoring stations, and recently News Laundry visited 25 of them. We found 22 monitoring stations were covered with obstructions like trees or buildings. It obstructs the airflow and casts doubts over the kind of data it has been providing on the pollution levels. Every year, as Delhi's air pollution levels drop from dangerous to poor, it stops making the headline. But we want to change that because air pollution is an existential crisis and such issues should not have a shelf life. Therefore, News Laundry has started a year-long campaign, Fight to Breathe, Ya Hawa Ka Haq. This is a collaboration between you, us, and experts. You can become a part of this campaign by scanning this QR code flashing on your screens. Lastly, News Laundry is a small independent news platform. We do not take government or corporate ads to bring you powerful journalism. We depend on you, our subscribers, to enable our reporting. So if you are not a News Laundry subscriber yet, please consider becoming one and pay to keep news free.